In addition to providing consistent power for transportation, these engines' enormous torque also houses cutting-edge fuel-saving technology, which is frequently combined with a hybrid electric system for optimal efficiency and range. This RV stands out on the roadway thanks to its striking grille, dazzling chrome, cutting-edge LED lighting, and distinctively painted body. The outstanding cockpit, which blends cutting-edge technologies with durable utility, awaits you as you step behind the wheel. A huge 15-inch digital display takes the place of the conventional dashboard, giving the driver complete control and the most up-to-date information. The panel may be configured to display everything from tire pressure and trailer condition to navigation and engine diagnostics. You can control the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road thanks to the multi-function steering wheel, which has all of the essential features. Long trips are made pleasant by the ergonomic design, plush leather seats with heating and massaging features, and excellent sound system. The living room is visible while exiting the cockpit. With its open floor layout and many power-operated slide-outs that increase the living space at the flip of a button, the RV's interior is an opulent haven. Luxurious materials abound throughout, from luxurious leather couches and elaborate ceiling decorations to rich hardwood flooring and exquisite cabinets. Plenty of natural light is let in by the large panoramic windows, and the smart home system allows you to easily manage the lighting, entertainment, and temperature using voice commands from a single touch panel. No matter where life takes you, you can genuinely unwind and feel at home here. The main bedroom is a cozy sanctuary. After a tiring day of travel, its plush linens, top-notch mattress, and full king-size bed make it the ideal haven. The area has clever built-in storage options and plenty of walking space. The bedroom has been transformed into a private movie theater complete with a huge flat-screen TV and a dedicated sound system. You may adjust the ambient lighting to create a peaceful setting, and you can sleep in total darkness or wake up to a stunning dawn thanks to the huge windows with blackout curtains. It feels like a private spa in the bathroom. It features a porcelain toilet, a full-size vanity with a pricey countertop, and a large shower with glass enclosure. You will never run out of warm water thanks to the shower's many jets and on-demand hot water systems. The design smoothly incorporates ample storage for toiletries and towels. The sleek, contemporary finishes and top-of-the-line equipment in the design make the room opulent and surprisingly clean. The RV's kitchen, which is designed to please even the pickiest cook, is its biggest draw. It has a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and granite or solid surface counters. Cleaning is made easy with a pull-down faucet and a deep sink. The spacious handcrafted cabinets offer plenty of room for groceries, cookware, and dishes, and every component is of domestic quality. This is a complete gourmet kitchen that can be used to quickly cook 5-star meals, not simply a kitchenette.